I'm here with Professor Alistair Milne as part of the Future of Finance conversations. Alistair, another question I'd like to ask is, where do you think the next risks are coming from?
Well, I think the only thing I feel I can say with any confidence about the next risks are that they won't be the same as a decade ago. So 2007, 2008 was driven by an excessive exposure to credit risks, obviously, subprime, but not just subprime, but also liquidity problems, too much funding based on short-term money market instruments. Those two issues, I think, are actually being quite well dealt with by the current and subsequent regulations. So the next risk is going to come from somewhere else. Personally, I'm still quite concerned about sovereign credit risks. Now, it's true that could eventually end up through monetization. We could see, it's been long promised, we could see inflation rather than default as being an outcome, which is possibly a bit better for commercial banks because they can benefit from higher interest rates and that they're not facing directly credit risks. But that's one area, one big area which definitely needs attention. Others, probably on the technology side. I mean, this is going to play out much more slowly, but banks are gradually seeing their streams of profit being eroded here and there. So whether it's transaction banking and foreign exchange, whether it's areas of credit with non-banks coming in, it's going to be much more difficult in the future to get high fee levels out of customers than it has been in the past. And that's an obviously major strategic risk going forward.
Thank you.